Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to jump into Microsoft Outlook and I'm going to show you how to create email templates. Now, if you send tons of emails and you just want one template to go ahead and just fill in all the details and make your life a whole lot easier, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a few simple steps. So let's get into it. So I'm in my browser, and if you are a Microsoft Exchange user, you can actually do this on your app, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the browser. So once you go in here, you're going to go over to the left hand side and look for new, and you're going to go and tap on mail. Now what will happen is it'll open as a small window, and what we want to do is click on the top right hand side where it says open in new window, and it'll open up a new tab. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and choose a recipient. So we're just going to type in who we would like to send this to. And then we can also enter in a subject over here. So let's just enter in that subject. And then what we want to do is go into the body of our email, and we want to create what we want to be our email template. Now, as you can see over here, I have used this one, and I'm going to just take this out, and this is now going to be my template. You can add a table in here, you can add images, videos, you can add whatever it is, you can create whatever it is that you would like to have as your template. Now once you're done with this section, we're going to go up and we're going to look for the apps section right over here. Now make sure that you're still in message and look for apps, and you're going to click on this. Now as you can see, I've already got my templates installed as an app, but if you don't, you're going to go ahead and click on this get add-ins, and over here you'll be able to add the my templates add-in. Once we have it added in, we're going to click on our apps and we're going to click on my templates. You will have the sidebar come up over here, and you will see that there are a few created templates. What we want to do is tap on new template. We want to give it a title. Let's just call it Yo Peeps, and then we want to enter in what we would like to have as our template body. All right, so this is now our template body, and we're going to tap on save, and this is what it looks like. Now what you can do additionally is you can go ahead and you can tap on the edit template button over here on the right hand side, and you can just edit it as you go. Maybe your needs change, maybe things change, you can edit it, or you can just create a completely new one. And you can find all of your templates right over here on the right hand side, and once you're done, you can go ahead and tap on send, and you can continue to reuse this template over and over. Now if this was helpful, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome content to help you learn, to help you grow. So I guess we'll see you over there, folks. Peace.